Your health is in your hands. But at some point, it passes onto ours. We believe quality healthcare isn't a privilege, it's a right. And we deliver excellence every time. Healthway Medical began as a single clinic dedicated to primary care in 1990. Today, we're staffed by over 130 medical professionals. We believe that quality healthcare stems from clinical training and years of experience, combined with the drive and dedication to empower healthier lives for our patients. With primary care clinics located across Singapore, we're committed to uplifting the health of you and your loved ones by providing a wide range of services to meet a diversity of needs. Our services are curated to optimize your health so that you can focus on your well-being. With more than 3 decades of experience in serving the community, Healthway Medical is a trusted brand that has distinguished itself in a host of disciplines. Our specialist clinics are led by senior surgeons who make it their mission to cater to your healthcare needs with passion and professionalism. With deep experience in the subspecialties of children and women's health, our team of highly qualified pediatricians and staff are committed to providing treatment that is tailored to you and your little ones. We understand how important it is to have a healthcare provider you trust. That's why we go to every length to facilitate seamless communication across a spectrum of needs to ensure a quality and reliable healthcare experience. With our new Telemedicine mobile app, you can now meet our doctors in the comfort and safety of your home, and where needed, have medication delivered directly to your doorstep. And in times of crisis, we rise to the challenge to serve and support where we're needed, and to play our part in keeping the community safe and protected. With over 100 clinics set up island-wide, Healthway Medical is the preferred choice for 1.2 million people. We're a collaborative ecosystem of medical personnel and industry experts, and your holistic health is our highest priority. Our mission is to put your health back into your hands. We're here to empower, here to stay, here to create possibilities of a healthier life and a healthier future.